Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this called reverse engraving, and I mentioned that video that this is so thin, even though that blue line's a hairline, that I would pick a different font, but I don't know if it's a font, because I can't get it to come up as a font, but evidently it was at one time. You convert it to a curve. But if we go to Object and go to Effects and Contour, it's all one group. I'm going to contour the outside 0.003 with square corners. It doesn't look like it made it that much bigger, but it made it quite a bit bigger. Now you have to select the whole thing, go up to Object and break the contour part. And what's so nice about this, you only have to delete one because they're all grouped together. So just grab it in the center and hit delete. Now you have a lot bigger. Now the only problem, I might have gone a little bit too far and these two letters are touching, but you could probably fix that and it's not going to matter, in the engraving, because the center is what's going to engrave out. So then we're going to do the same thing we did a while ago. We're going to left click, right click that outline. Well, let's make it back to red. And we're going to nudge it over and we're going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. And I'm just going to fill in a few just to show you. I should have left the other one up there to show the difference. It's quite a bit thicker. So that might work. It might, and then after you get them all done, don't forget to take the outline away because it'll maybe make it a little bit bigger, but also it's in case it is a hairline, you will not be cutting it. And then try to grab the whole thing and left click, no line. So now you have a little bit bigger font, a little bit bigger text. We'll go to our yellow box trick, go to Object, Order, back a page, and you can see that the laser's not going to touch it. It's going to touch everything else. That's a hole that's going to be cut because it's got a red hairline. And you could actually go a little bit thicker yet, but I would still do some testing. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.